face trios are a must-have to add to your makeup collection. The shade combinations are going to give you the perfect contour and lift, beautiful flush of color to your face, and glow. I'm going to show you how to use all three, starting with the Megastar Pro Face Trio. To contour and get that chiseled look, we're using the shade Starlit. I use it along my jawline and my cheekbones, and it's going to make such a difference. Just look. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the highlighter here. Then I'm going to go in with the cream highlighter. This adds like a lit from within glow. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the Opulent Face Trio powdered blush. The cream blush I used as a bronzer and then put the powdered one on top. Highlighter. Ooh. Which side do you like better? The last one we're going to do is the Spellbound Face Trio. This one is so perfect if you like peachy colors. I'm using the cream blush as a bronzer and then the powder one on top, finishing with Abracadabra, which is a beautiful pinky highlighter. Definitely grab you one of Mirabella's face trios because